In this class, you will learn to knit Sweetheart Sweater from start to finish. Sweetheart Sweater is all about the cute heart-shaped opening in the back. It looks complicated but is easy to make, and it's so much fun too. It's made with super chunky yarn so it knits up fast. If you have mastered hats and scarves and are ready to take your skill to a new level, this project is for you. Knitting pattern and stitch library are also included to help you on your knitting journey.